Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of culinary and DIY excellence with the JDHON Propane Torch. A powerful flamethrower designed for both kitchen and outdoor use. This versatile tool boasts an adjustable flame control reaching up to 1,800 degrees Celsius or 3,272 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for precise searing, braising, or melting, and delivers a whopping 700,000 BTU flame, making it ideal for everything from caramelizing sugar to lighting charcoal or campfires. Safety is a top priority with its extended nozzle for safe distancing, pure copper propane tank connector, and a durable, high-temperature resistant nylon build, ensuring reliable performance with a 10,000 times piezo ignition button. Beyond the kitchen, this grill gun is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from caramelizing sugars and searing steaks to lighting your charcoal grill, campfire, or even for arts and crafts projects, making it a truly versatile tool for any toolbox. Compatible with most MAPP Pro, and propane canisters with a CGA 600 connection, this handheld searing torch offers wide fuel options, making it a great choice for both professional chefs and home cooks, and it's compact enough to fit into your RV, kitchen drawers, or backpack for outdoor adventures. The JDHON Propane Torch is more than just a cooking torch. It's a flamethrower for lighting grills, a tool for DIY projects, and the perfect gift for any culinary enthusiast, making it an exceptional present for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, or weddings. We stand by our product with a 90-day money-back or hassle-free